going to teach you on how to fix any driver related issue with your graphics card. So if you have a black screen issue, or your screen is flickering, stuttering, any issues that is related after a driver update or with a driver, you can fix all of that issues with your computer. Or if your computer just feels sluggish, slow, and you're not getting a good FPS on your computer, on your games, you can just follow this method. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to open your browser first, okay, and you're going to search for DDU. Okay, go into the first one. It should be from Guru 3D. Open that. Okay, and then you can download the EU or from the USA. Just going to click on EU. Okay, it will say thank you. So let it load, and bam, it's downloaded. So make sure it's there. Okay, just going to open the file, and I'm going to make sure it's on my screen right here. Okay, so extract. I'm just going to open that file and then just click on extract. Okay, that should give me a DDU folder. Okay, so that's good. So once you have that, okay, once you have that, you can click on your start button here. Okay, make sure to hold shift now. Okay, hold shift and then go into your start button and click on restart while your shift is hold on your keyboard. That should show please wait. So let it load. Okay, so once you're here, you're going to go into troubleshoot, advanced options, startup settings, and then click on restart. Okay, then here you can just click on number 4 or F4. Okay, so now you're in safe mode. So don't worry if the screen is small, all finicky, just don't worry. Okay, just follow the steps. So the folder that we downloaded here, DDU, so you're just going to open that, and then you're going to right click on it and run as administrator. Okay, this should be open. Just click on OK, and it should be a bit big. Okay, just let me try to make it small. So just do okay, then just click on close right here. Okay, so now here select a device type and then click on your GPU. Okay, and then here it should, once you click your GPU, it should already detect whether it's an AMD, an Intel, or an NVIDIA GPU. So once it's detected, okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to click on clean and restart. So just click on that. For me, it's not showing because I'm using a virtual machine. So if in my main, you just select your GPU, it should be already detected, and just click on clean and restart. So once you click on clean and restart, there should be a bar going, and you should have a lot of settings, and it should restart your computer on its own automatically. You don't have to restart yourself, it should restart the computer. So I'm just going to restart mine because I don't have anything currently installed, so I'm just going to restart. So once your computer is restarted through DDU, okay, you should not have any graphics drivers on your computer. So your screen resolution will be off, your icons will be big, your screen will be all over the place, your icons will be all over the place. Don't change anything, just go with the flow. Okay, so machine's just playing bit. Just gonna reset my machine. You should not have this issue. Mine, there's some issues with my virtual machine, so it should straight take you into your Windows screen. So once you're in your Windows, your icons all should be big, your wallpaper should be distorted and everything. What you're going to do is you're going to go into your browser, any browser of your choice. Okay, and then you're going to Google your graphics card. So if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, you're just going to click on NVIDIA, maybe in 2080 RTX 2080, and then go into the first link, buy NVIDIA, Okay, then you can search, click on the three dots and go to drivers. You can download the automatic driver update, or you can just select it from here. GeForce RTX 20, that's 30 series, 20 series, and you can download it from Windows 11, and you can click on start search. And download the latest game ready driver for your 2080. Okay, so if you have an AMD graphic card, you can just search for AMD graphic drivers right here, and then make sure AMD driver support, it's by AMD's website. Okay, then here you can choose your graphic drivers. Just go into your graphics, and then you can search whatever driver you have. Just say I have 6800, so I'm just going to click on here, and then maybe a 6800, and then you can choose whether what 6800 you have, and then just click on submit. And under the Windows 11, you can download the auto data itself, but I would just recommend you to find which is the latest Adrenaline edition and just download that and install that. And after following the steps on the screen, your computer should be much more better and feel much more smoother, and your games should work flawlessly. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope I helped you solve your stuttering, your black fixes, and your FPS. And yeah, that's all for me. Thanks for watching, folks.